Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to insert offline video in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video I will show insert offline video. Now I'm going to the insert menu option. Now for click. Then click for object option. Then show from interface insert object. Now click for a choose from file. Now click for a browse option. Then find your offline video. Now click for a file. Now click for a video. Now click for open. Then click for OK. That's it. Then you show finally insert offline video in Publisher. Now research your video. That's it. Then you show insert offline video in Microsoft Publisher is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.